Alright, anyway, this is a hair straightening tutorial, so we're gonna get right into it. Keep on watching. Okay, so I got my brush, my flat iron, my foam, my Velcro, my clips, my combs, and my hot comb. But usually I split it into two. Take your clip up this half. You have to do really thin pieces for it to really get straight. I am no hair expert. We're gonna learn and grow together. If you know how to do wigs, hit me up, leave me a comment, or if you don't, let's learn together, because what am I doing? I don't know. But this has been on 365 heating up for a while, so we're gonna get past. Use a comb. Okay, since I got this one side done, I'm going to throw it back, clip it back, rip back, whatever, and start the next side. And don't worry, in the end I'm gonna got to be my whole head with just the tiniest amount of my foam. and I'm gonna lay all these flowers down on top and use my hot comb 360 on my head. So don't worry about that. So those will be handled. Okay, now back to the video. Last section. I promise we're getting there. Because I got school in the morning and it is 10:14 at night, and I'm probably gonna wrap my hair. I don't know how I'm gonna wrap it. We're gonna figure it out. I might try to actually wrap it, but no promises. But I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna use the hot comb in the morning. It's just I'm going to. Okay, and I'm gonna start with bottom pieces. So like, yeah, now separate that into two. Alright, back to the video. is my wig straightening tutorial on how to straighten your hair with a flat iron hot comb. I got it pretty bone straight if you ask me, but if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm also gonna lay this lace in the morning because I don't have time to be fighting with that glue tonight. If you like my hair, if you like me, you know, like I said, thumbs up, subscribe, comment, all that jazz. See you in the next one.